at the train station now, waiting for our train to come to bring us to Stockholm. And tomorrow the flight will take off to Japan.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. I guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
We just got to our Airbnb. I have to be quiet. But now we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and get something to eat. Okay, let's have a little haul. I tried these. I like them, but he didn't like them. Fake Pringles, I guess. These cute. I've already tried them, but I love them. And orange juice, this strawberry one and chocolate one, some instant noodles. He bought some food. It's Thursday. We woke up super late today, but now we're on our way to Shibuya. Yippee! Also, it's so hot and humid. I can't breathe.
It's nice.
It's not nice. I wanna die. It looks so nice. I wanna jump in the water.
It's been too long now, I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them, don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath.
Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god.
Silence in the back room, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me.
got some coffee. We're so tired. It's not as hot anymore, but we're still tired.
I won't get away. We can find a safe within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me.
What's good? This one.
Too long now. I think that I'll do second guess you. I second guess me. I second guess them. Don't second guess me.
One. I need to do it. Let's see.
Get away. We can find a safe within our company. Within our company. Within our company, so come closer to me, a little closer.
It's 10 o'clock and we're going home. We just got back to our station and they had like crepes, so do you like it? We are back in our Airbnb. I have to be very quiet, but I'm gonna do a quick haul of everything I got. I got some more stickers. These cute keychain thingies for my sister. I bought her this one as well. This little one. A Sylvanian family bunny. So cute. And a Sylvanian family blind box. We got a ton of gachas as well. So these are Blythe ones. So I have to get two because they're so cute. And they're like keychains. So I'm gonna put these on my bags. This one is 2007. This one, I think it is 2005. Good morning, it's Friday. We're going to Harajuku today. It's so late in the day, it's like 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Vad sa du för något?
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
We've been sleeping in like yesterday and today because the time difference is
8 hours.
8 hours time difference. So we're so tired and we can't sleep at night. I need to show you guys my beautiful bag that I've got from my sister. I accidentally ripped it though. It has a little bow on it. It says her brand. And I'm gonna put the Blythe Doll keychains on it now. She also made a little coin pouch for me. And I will tag her down below.
Talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a bee. The curiosity keep the Cadillac, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry. Luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. start the day. Standing on the space, I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid. Just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. Made a joke about a half-cut hated metaphor, and lately made her cry. My luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home.
Okay, we're back at the Airbnb. I bought 3 blind boxes. I like them all, so I don't care which one I get. I got this one. I don't really care which one I get. I love them all. Skull Panda. I would love to get this one or this one or this one, but I'm fine with all of them. Oh my god, yes! She's so cute. She has pom-poms and stuff that you're gonna have to put on. She's so cute. Her glasses are supposed to be like this, but it's broken. That's okay, I'll just glue it back. Oh my god, no way. God. Oh my god, she even has a little black bunny. She is adorable. Oh my god, this is really good quality. It's actually really cute. It's not the pink one I wanted, but it's actually really cute. I bought like a ton of other stuff as well, but I'll show you later.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time, it's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive. Everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive.
going to 7-Eleven to get something to eat. Also, I told him it's okay that I'm going along. It's like 5 minutes. So yeah, I just had the weekly meeting with Emma. It was a short meeting this time because it's so late here and it's kind of early for her. So yeah.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right.
Good morning. It's Sunday. Jack and his friend, they are going to an onsen, and I didn't really want to go because I kind of hate hot water and I didn't have anyone to go with as well. So I'm gonna take a little solo trip. I might go to another Junie Moon store. The time's like 12:30, so it's so hot. I'm gonna go into 7-Eleven and buy an iced latte. I gave up on finding oat milk. So yeah. Really cute cafe I really want to go to, but it might be a really long queue. If it is too many people, I will just go somewhere else.
I don't wanna lie, 'cause you make me insane. Turn off all the lights, got a whole lot going for you. How do I explain if you don't wanna try? She loves me when I look.
Okay, so there was like the biggest line ever, so instead I just went into a flower shop. I think I will go to the Junie Moon store in Shibuya.
My best, but girl, you need to let me rest. I'm sorry if I made a mess. I'm sorry if I...
It's only a like 12-minute walk. Maybe I'll grab like a coffee. I kind of gave up like looking for oat milk. If you drink coffee with oat milk, or if you're vegan or vegetarian, make sure to plan out every like restaurant and meal. It's really hard to like look for vegetarian options when you're super hungry. Also, it's 32 degrees and so humid today, so I'm sweating like crazy. I accidentally went to the wrong one. I went to the one in Harajuku, the one I already been to.
I'm still obsessed with you. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. I'm still obsessed with you. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. It goes straight me when I look my best, but girl, you need to let me rest. I'm sorry if I made a mess. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you.